Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. I hope you all are happy, healthy, and ready to learn. Students, I'm your English teacher, Ma'am Aksa. Students, open your book, page number 38 and 39. Students, we have already completed the reading of these two pages. Now comes to the page 41. Here you read the question. Read the text. Do you know me? And list down 5 naming words from it. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ हमने क्वेश्चन जो पढ़ा वो ये था कि आपने ये जो रीडिंग ऑलरेडी हमने की हुई है ये रीडिंग अगेन करनी है और इसमें से आपने नेमिंग वर्ड्स को फाइंड करना है और फिर उसको अपने 3 in 1 रजिस्टर पे लिखने हैं वो नेमिंग वर्ड्स ओके बिफोर स्टार्टिंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स डू यू नो what a naming words are? A naming word is the name of person, place or thing. We also call them nouns. Student, first look at the name. First name is Spotty. Is Spotty a naming word? Yes, the word Spotty is the name of our animal friend. What kind of animal is Spotty? A giraffe. That's another naming word. What does Spotty have? A long tongue and it eats grass and plants. Here, the word tongue is also called a naming word. The next word is grass and plants. स्टूडेंट्स पेज नंबर 38 पे हमारे ये नेमिंग वर्ड्स now comes to the next page page number 39 here the word zibi is also a naming word next zebra zebra is the name of animal black and white color name ostrich it is also a bird name Africa. It is the name of place. Students, today we learn about the naming words. Now, write these naming words on your 3 in 1 register and send it to me till 7 o'clock. Take care. Jazakallah and Allah Hafiz.